Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you still have admin privileges and that other trusted admins are reachable. Once done, immediately download page content and insights so you preserve evidence. Next, change the account password to a strong, unique phrase and enable two-factor authentication to stop further takeover. Also, check recent login alerts and active sessions and remove unknown devices. These steps both protect the page and create a recovery baseline. They're fast but critical before deeper audits or appeals. You now perform the middle detailed audit. Go through page roles and remove any unrecognized accounts while keeping a log of changes for later. Then, review the last 30-90 days of posts, scheduled content, ad accounts, and billing transactions to spot unauthorized campaigns or malware links. Make sure to disconnect suspicious third-party apps and unlink any external business manager assets that weren't approved. While doing this, document timestamps, screenshots, and affected post ID to support an appeal or forensic review. You finish by filing a structured appeal through Facebook's page support or business help, attaching screenshots, admin ID, and a concise timeline of unauthorized activity. Make your case factual and chronological. Then lock down the page by restricting posting permissions, reducing admins to only trusted people, and enforcing two-factor authentication for all. Finally, set up daily checks and alerts for new admin changes, ad spend, or unusual posts. If the appeal fails, escalate via business manager support and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.